Yo, what's up, plant fam? This is Mike Sincere.
And Jazzy B.
And we are plant-based and more. And today, we are going to show you one of our all-time favorites.
Overnight oats.
See, we love overnight oats because we're DJs and we are always on the go. So we just grab it out the fridge and head out the door.
Here are the ingredients. There's a sliced banana, a tablespoon of hemp seeds and chia seeds, your favorite granola, a tablespoon of almond butter. Don't forget your mason jar. A cup of gluten-free oats, a cup of frozen blueberries, a cup of homemade almond milk. Recipe coming soon. Put the gluten-free oats inside the jar. Put the blueberries.
Ooh.
Spice it up with your cinnamon. Pour the milk in. Shake it up, put it in the fridge, and it's ready to go. In the morning, put all the toppings. My favorite are the chia and hemp seeds. This is where all my omega-3s come from. And Babe's favorite, almond butter.
Ooh, I like that. Guess what? If you can't finish it all in one sitting, grab your mason jar lid, put it on top, and you're all set. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media. We're going to post that right here below. Like and subscribe, follow, do your thing.
Thanks for watching.